Welcome to another edition of the Cannabis Insurance Journal. My name is Tony, your cannabis insurance specialist, and today I thought we'd go over or do a quick podcast with respect to the most popular way that an insurance company can deny coverage for your medicinal cannabis facility. One of the most important ways coverage can be denied is if you are in violation of some municipal or state law or regulation with respect to your cannabis facility. If you are in violation with respect to your facility, that gives your insurance company grounds for the avoidance of any claims that you filed for recovery. One particular case that I like to discuss is the case of Renia Murnahan Turner out of Springfield. Ms. Turner has recently sued the state for discrimination with respect to awarding a state license. The basis of the failure to award the state license in her case is based upon the fact that she did not submit an electronic version of the application. And based upon the failure to submit said application, the state denied her license for a medicinal cannabis facility. Of course, Ms. Turner subsequently sued, and she's suing for a loss of wages in the amount of approximately $50 million. Now, under a dispensary insurance policy, loss of business income or wages is coverable. However, in this case, because Ms. Turner has not been licensed to distribute medicinal cannabis, she would not be covered in this instance because she's not recognized as an authorized facility to grow or dispense medicinal cannabis. So in such an instance, the insurance company would be able to avoid covering her claims based upon the state's actions. Now, of course, you know that Ms. Turner has filed a lawsuit seeking, of course, again, $50 million in damages. Now, such a suit can be quite hefty, but I suspect that the objective of the suit is not for money. It is in terms of forcing the state to change its policies. In this case, normally insurance companies would come forth because they have a duty to defend their insured. Once again, in this case, that duty has been abridged due to the fact that she is not at this point a licensed and recognized and authorized dispensary or grower under state law. So, one of the most important ways we can see in terms of accessing coverage, whether it be through the courts or whether it be for loss of business income, is to be within the regulations of the state. Now, here in Ohio, as you well know, there are some confusing issues surrounding medicinal cannabis licenses, whether they be Category 1 or Category 2. As you also know, Springfield also had a moratorium on the creation or the opening of medicinal cannabis facilities that it just let expire here in September of this year. So, in essence, Ms. Turner's policies, if she had any, which I'm sure she did, would not take place or would not become enforceable until such time as the ban ended and she was awarded a license. How this case will come out is anyone's guess, but I suspect that she will eventually be awarded the license. And once she is awarded the license, her coverages and all of her benefits under her policies will vest at that point. This has been another edition of the Cannabis Insurance Journal. My name is Tony, your cannabis insurance specialist here in Ohio. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 877-638-0311, or you can get in touch with me through the website at ohiocannabisinsurance.org, or you can hit me up through Gmail at ohiocannabisinsurance@gmail.com. You can also go to our Facebook page and like our Facebook page. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. So until next time, stay safe and take care.